Budgeting doesn't have to be painful, complicated, or overwhelming. If you've ever felt stressed trying to track every dollar or wondering why your money disappears so fast, the 50/30/20 rule is the straightforward, flexible approach you need to regain control over your finances without the headache. What is the 50/30/20 rule? It's a simple budgeting guideline that divides your after-tax income into three main categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. By allocating your income this way, you create a balanced budget that covers essentials, lets you enjoy life, and builds your financial future, all at once. Breaking it down: 50% needs. These are the absolute essentials, the expenses you must pay to maintain a basic standard of living. They include rent or mortgage payments, utilities like electricity, water, and internet, groceries and essential household items, transportation costs such as gas, car payments, or public transit, and minimum required debt payments, loans, credit cards. If your needs exceed 50% of your income, this is a signal to take action. Maybe it's time to downsize your home, shop smarter, or negotiate bills. Keeping your essentials within this limit frees up money for your wants and savings, making your financial life much healthier. 30% wants. This is your personal spending money, where you get to treat yourself and enjoy life. Wants include dining out, coffee runs, and takeout. Entertainment like movies, concerts, and subscriptions, hobbies, travel and vacations, and shopping for non-essential items or upgrades. The challenge with wants is that they can easily expand and eat into money meant for savings or necessities. The 30% limit keeps your spending fun but responsible, preventing lifestyle inflation as your income grows. 20% savings and debt repayment. This portion is the key to your long-term financial success. Use it wisely to pay off high-interest debt aggressively to reduce interest costs. Build an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of living expenses, protecting you against unexpected financial shocks. Contribute consistently to retirement accounts like 401ks or IRAs, securing your future. Invest in low-cost index funds, stocks, or other vehicles to grow your wealth over time. By dedicating 20% of your income here, you're laying a strong foundation for financial independence and peace of mind. Why is the 50/30/20 rule so effective? Simplicity. No complex formulas or apps needed. Just divide your income into 3 buckets and stick to the plan. Flexibility. It works whether you earn $2,000 a month or $20,000. Percentages adjust to your income level. Balance. You're not depriving yourself of enjoyment while ensuring essentials are covered and your future is secured. Clarity. It answers the tough question of where did my money go and stops the confusion around spending. Bonus tip, adjust as your income grows. When your earnings increase, don't just let your spending rise proportionally. Instead, consider shifting your budget to 40% needs, 30% wants, and 30% savings. This allows you to supercharge your savings and investments without feeling deprived, setting you up for faster financial growth and stability. Real-life success story. Imagine earning $4,000 a month after taxes. Using the 50/30/20 rule, $2,000 covers your essentials like rent and bills. $1,200 goes to dining out, hobbies, and travel. $800 builds your savings, pays down debt, or funds investments. Over time, that $800 monthly investment grows, thanks to compound interest, helping you build wealth and financial security. Budgeting isn't about restriction or losing freedom. It's about creating freedom through financial control. The 50/30/20 rule is a powerful yet simple framework that helps you manage your money wisely, avoid stress and financial overwhelm. Build a secure future while still enjoying today. Start using the 50/30/20 rule today and watch how these balanced habits bring you closer to your financial goals and peace of mind.